Hello everyone, I'm in the office today and I wanted to talk about these Furmax Metal Bar Stools. These come in a bunch of different colors, but this is the gun color right here. If you can see that, it's kind of like a dark bronze, muddy bronze color. But there's a bunch of colors that these come in. These are 30 inches high. You can see that these are stackable. I have one stacked up on another here, so there's two right here. These are very easy to move and easy to carry. You have this hole here which you can put your hand in. So you can put your hand in this hole and lift it up. They are fairly lightweight, but definitely durable, strong, and sturdy. On the website, they actually say this could be used as a drain hole since these are indoor and outdoor. So they say water can fall through. I haven't tested that. But there's a picture of that on the website that the water can go down and empty out there in that hole. So again, indoor and outdoor, they say it's water and rust resistant. So these come fully assembled, but you can see the structure underneath to give it extra support. Also, they have these kind of like rubber foot stops here. So it helps you keeps you from marking up your floor with these protective foot stops here. So these have gotten very good reviews on Amazon. I can see why. They're very strong and sturdy metal bar stools. Again, they come in many colors, come pre-assembled. You can use them indoor and outdoors. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.